quite warm. And the breeze is even warm. I love it. I love it. I do. The cicadas are out. That's how you can tell it's really warm. If you don't happen to feel it yourself. They let you know it's warm today. I always eat the light colored one first, then go to the next, and then go to that, and go to the darkest ones. It's like with Smarties, you eat the red ones last. Eat the brown ones first. I don't know. Humans are lovers of patterns. Or at least some of them are. Dina just headed off. She's doing some grocery shopping. And she's not going to be here for supper. Which is good. Because, well, it's actually not bad. With her upstairs, I don't have a hard time working at all. Too. Well, I did start. I started working. Barely. I got the 2 September files that I start every September with renamed. So it's September of last year, only the name is September of this year. This is how it's done. That's how I do it. But I'm not going to use anything. Well, I don't know. I really don't know what to do. I was talking to Stephanie this morning, and she said, I'm not doing anything yet. I'm at the beach, Wasaga. I'm gonna go in the water. She said that I had trouble with getting my prescription covered. I said, I know frames are covered, our lens is not covered, and she said that I had to call in for that. So I'll have to call on Monday and get my lenses paid for by my Manulife. I think we have Manulife for our benefits. good. I asked her because she knew. So I'll do that on Monday. That's when the baby's born. I've got my laundry dry. There. I mean, I hung it out. I washed it this morning. Hung it up after I talked to Gail. And it was dry by lunchtime. So I should really carry it in. Get it in. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Chickadee-dee-dee. Ah. I had someone call for my son this morning. I said, he doesn't live here anymore. And he said, oh. And then we both kind of, and he hung up. And I told my son, I said, I'm sorry, I should have said, can I take a message? But you know, when you say he doesn't live here anymore, saying, can I take a message is kind of weird. And it just, I'm always bad on the phone anyway, which is why I prefer texting and emailing over everything. And the whole family knows that. We're all the same. My son, my daughter, we do not like telephoning. For us, telephoning means bad news. So we don't telephone. And we don't telephone unless there's some sort of emergency. So anyway, so we're bad on the phone. But he has no idea what that could be because everyone knows his phone number. You know, his phone number. He's got a cell phone. So who would be calling him at either his former home or his former residence? So I was puzzled by that. I said, sorry. Oh, this is lovely. This is really lovely. I love my gazebo. And I did get some work started. I told you that. It's not much though. That's a start, but it's frustrating. Because in the past, when I started something, I knew that I had just gotten over that step that you need to take. You got it started, so now you're good. I've got it started, but it means nothing. I don't know what to do next. Yeah. And I can't talk to my boss, and I can't talk to the, it doesn't help, talk to the secretary. I mean, she doesn't know anything, but it's not being able to talk to your boss for another week or so, which is the frustrating thing. Because, you know, some of us like to plan ahead. All of us like to plan ahead. And this is ridiculous that we cannot plan ahead. Oh yeah, sure, we can plan ahead, but we don't know what we're doing. It's very frustrating. But But I will start to plan as if it were normal. I can't see that. I'm gonna have to sit down and try and work it out. And I have some things planned for the eventuality of online teaching. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know, and it's really frustrating. So there you go.